Here's how to fix Roblox audio not working. First, open Roblox and launch the game where you're experiencing the audio issue. Once the game is open the settings menu and check the in-game sound settings. Make sure the game volume is enabled and turned up. For example, you can move the volume slider all the way up and then test the audio again. If you still can't hear anything, the next thing we need to check is your computer's volume. Look at the volume icon in the Windows taskbar and click it. Make sure your speakers aren't muted and that the system volume is turned up to an audible level. If your computer volume is already enabled and Roblox still has no sound, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Here, in the Apps section, look for Roblox. If Roblox is muted or its volume is set all the way down, that can prevent you from hearing any game audio. Click the speaker icon to unmute Roblox and make sure its volume level is turned up. Now return to the game and test the sound again. If Roblox audio is still not working, we can use the Windows Sound Troubleshooter. Open the Windows search box and type Fix Audio. Look for the option called Find and Fix Problems with Playing Sound, then open it. Click Next to begin the troubleshooting process. Windows will now check your system for common problems affecting audio playback. You may hear a few test sounds while Windows is checking your speakers. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and allow the troubleshooter to complete its checks. Once the process is finished, use the option to play a test sound. If you can hear the test audio, your computer's sound output is working correctly. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.